Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bank Nifty and Nifty has moved this current week, as well as how the Bank Nifty and can move on Monday. See, as we can see the chart, the Bank Nifty was moving from 22nd Feb till now in this particular range. Okay, made a high, and from there it had made a good fall, and from there it is in this particular range. So what we can see in this, look at this, a gap is created here, it got fulfilled in this level. Okay, a gap is created here, came down and filled. Okay, and then again a gap is created here. Okay, then a gap is created and got fulfilled this level, and now the gap is created here. Then there is high probability that it can go and cover this gap. And now one more thing what you have to understand, that at this level 34.34670, the level is a big support. Okay, 35,000 is a big support, and it is tested twice. Once if it comes down below 35,000, then the next support we can see is at around 34,600. This is the next support we can see. But if we look at a 5-day chart, okay, if the Bank Nifty stays above 35,500 and stays there for more 10-15 minutes, then there is high probability it can touch a level of 35,700. okay, and then it can touch a level of 35,600, 35,000, 36,000 also. Okay, so the first support resistance we can see is at 35,700. The next resistance we can see is at around 35,950. okay, if it stays above this level 35,700, then we can see Bank Nifty at around 36,000. okay, but for that Bank Nifty has to stay above this level 750 and should have to give a close above this level, or stays around 1 hour above this level. Then we can expect it can touch a level of 36,000 very soon. So now we look at 1-day chart. okay, the Bank Nifty was continuously falling. okay, continuously fall, and see, this level is tested twice, and from there it has fall sharp, and after moving in this particular range it closed around 35,500. Then we can expect a good upside movement, and it can touch a level of 36,000 also. But if it goes below this level, suppose 35,400, then we can see it can touch a level of 35,250, or it can go below 35,180, and it can touch a level of 3,500, which is a strong support. And below 35,000, then we can expect it can touch a level of 35,700 to 600, which is the next support. Now we'll talk about Nifty. Month chart, we can see Nifty is also moving in this particular range. okay, moving in this particular range. It made a new low, halted for some time, and then making a strong move. okay, as we know that the US market have already touched all-time high. okay, but Nifty and Bank Nifty in the downtrend today. okay, so at this level it halted and then made a bounce back. So what we can expect, if the Nifty stays above 35,150, okay, or 15,080 stays above this level, then we can see next level it can touch a level of 1,150, and from there it can touch a level of 15,200, and then we can see 15,300. and it can touch a level of 15400 also and can make all-time high. Okay, but if it stays below this level 1500, 15000, okay, then there is high probability it can touch a level of 14,900 also and 14,800 also. 800 is a strong support, big support. Okay, 14,800 is a big support. If it break this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 550 and 14,700 also. See, we can see 950 is a strong support. Then once it touches, this is a strong support below this level, then we can see it can touch a level 900, and then the next support we can see is around 14,850 to 800. Okay, there is high probability that it made an upside trend. So wait for the first 15-minute candle and then we'll decide where the market will move. Okay, hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe.